In this video, I'm going to show you all how to download or install Uber Eats on your Android device. Before we start our video, Uber Eats is an app that allows you to order any type of food from any place. Using Uber Eats is as easy as using Uber Drive. So without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Google Play Store. Here, as you can see, right after opening our Google Play Store, will be on the home page. Here on the home page, you'll be able to see a search bar on the very top. Here you'll have to tap on the search bar. After tapping on the search bar, here you'll have to type Uber Eats and search. After that, here as you can see on the very first option, you'll be able to see the app Uber Eats Food Delivery. Right besides the name of the app, you'll be able to see option install. Here you'll have to tap on the option install. Here you'll have to wait for some time for your Uber Eats to be installed. And just like that, as you can see, you have successfully downloaded Uber Eats on your mobile phone. You can also check out your Uber app by going back, and there, as you can see, your Uber Eats has been downloaded. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.